Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel Python Now. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important topics in programming, the if-else statement. This tutorial will help you understand the basics of Python and start writing code. An if-else statement is the one we ask the Python interpreter to check both the true and false parts of a given condition. If the condition is true, the if code will be executed. If it is false, the else code will be executed. For example, let's say we have a variable called tree that is assigned the value green. If we want to check if the tree is green, we would write the following code. In this example, the condition is tree equals green, which is true. So the if code is executed and the message our tree has green color is printed. We can also use if-else statement to compare numbers. For example, let's say we have a variable called x that is assigned the value 10. If we want to check if there are 10 eggs in a store, we would write the following code. In this example, the condition is x equals 10, which is true, so the if code is executed and the message I have found a pack of 10 eggs is printed. We can also use multiple if-else statements in a single code. For example, if we want to check if there are eggs in a store, we could write the following code. In this example, the initial value of egg packs is 0. So the first if statement is executed and the message there are no eggs in the shop is printed. If we change the value of egg packs to 12, the second statement will be executed and the message there are 12 eggs in the shop will be printed. In summary, the if-else statement is used to check if a certain condition is true or false and to execute different code based on the outcome. This is a fundamental concept in programming and is useful in a wide range of applications. What if we want to ask Python to apply more than one if statement? In these cases, we need to use the elif statement. For example, let's say we want to check the number of egg packs in a store. We could use the following code. In this example, if the initial value of egg packs is 0, the first if statement is executed and the message there are no eggs in the shop is printed. If the value of egg packs is less than 5, the second elif statement is executed and the message there are less than 5 egg packs in the shop is printed. If the value of egg packs is less than or equal to 10, the third elif statement is executed and the message there are 10 or less egg packs in the shop is printed. And if the value of egg packs is greater than 10, the else statement is executed and the message there are more than 10 egg packs in the shop is printed. It is extremely important to understand how to use conditions in Python. That's why I recommend you to do some practical work by creating your own conditions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next tutorial.